Hello YouTube, this is Blackjack and S, and today we're going to show you how to make the popping sound with your mouth. That, but a little bit louder. So it's actually quite simple. All you're going to do is just take your finger, your one finger, your index finger, go ahead and make sure it's clean, and go ahead, stick it inside your mouth, inhale, and then just once you inhale, you just that's all there is to it. You just take your finger, just like sort of slide it against until you reach outside. Sorry. One more. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace out.